What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's the big day where we finally take this thing apart. I'm super nervous, I'm excited, I'm pumped, I'm hyped. I know a lot of you guys know what it feels like when you take on a big project like this. So my friends are already on their way. So meanwhile I'm actually gonna go ahead and take the car out, flip it around, and then lift it up so we can put it on jack stands. And then right after that we'll go ahead and start with the disassembly. So I'll get right back with you guys right now and then we'll see how it goes. Actually, look who just came in right now. Why are you so loud? What up, dude?
What up, man?
Are you camera shy?
Yeah, a little bit.
What up, dude?
What
You
up?
ready for this or what?
Let's do this.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Everything.
It's an untouchable car.
What you bring me, bro?
What's up,
Let me see that.
Nothing, dude.
You brought me food?
Check this out.
You're always eating.
Check this out. Oh, dude.
That looks dank.
Damn.
Alright, let's move the card real quick. My other friend's here. This was actually my old Talon right here. I used to own this thing like last year. And I ended up selling it because it was a pain in the butt. What up, dude?
What's up?
You ready?
Ready.
Alright, so first step is to remove the Ebrake from the inside, and to do that we have to take the whole center console apart. So let's start doing that real quick. Alright, so take out this piece right here, and then the shift knob. Okay, it's off. And then there's two screws in here.
Hey, there you go.
There you go. Take this. Okay, so remove the center console. Oh, you can stop recording.
Check.
I'm checking the forum, bro. So we have to remove this airbag computer thingy. There's four 12mm bolts, and then once you remove it, you should have access to the Ebrake bracket. All right, so we got the airbag box off, and then you'll have access to the Ebrake lines here, which you then disconnect from here. And there's gonna be two more 12mm bolts in the back, which you have to lift the carpet up for. So here are the two bolts. Are right here, behind the carpet. After you undo those two, you'll be able to remove the e-brakes from the rear end once you take everything apart. So
Yeah. God, you look white in this lighting.
am I white? I'm a white Mexican. Subframe.
Oh shit. You get that too? Carbon fiber. He's casually hitting his carbon fiber.
Casually hit that.
Bro, let me do this. You put it right here, right? Right there? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's too close.
Alright, the wheel's off. Not this one yet.
Oi!
My bad. Hey, follow me on Instagram, guys. Miguel_DSM, you guys already know. I post cool stuff.
That Stance Nation look though. Hey, the car look dope. It's like a spaceship. You would actually have real wheels on. Alright, let's finish this real quick. Alright, so the next step,
Pretty much is assemble all this real quick. So disconnect the brake lines, take all this off. But we'll take you step by step. So
I'm gonna bag you.
oh yeah, so whenever you do something like this, you always want to make sure you get a Ziploc bag and you label it with whatever bolts or nuts you have, just to keep track of everything.
We're gonna take this ball off, so we just pull this off. Instead of struggling to get those. So let's do this.
All right, so first let's disconnect this guy, so that we can get to these guys later. All right.
Well, I took the bolt off up here.
Right. So what size was it?
Well, this one was a freaking 9/16.
9/16. Okay.
And then you pull that off, and then we take this bolt off right here, which is this
for
one.
the coilover, right?
For the coilover, which is a 17.
And that gives us
And
access
then
to.
this pops out. So once this pops out, there you go. The whole arm is out. Then the last thing we have to do is take the caliper off. And after that, we'll work on the way over there.
To the subframe.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Two 17s in the back.
Two 17
yeah.
millimeter bolts in the back of the Brembo caliper, right?
Yeah.
And it's the same for any model. Even if you don't have Brembos, it should be the same.
Yeah, it's only two of them.
Yeah. Okay.
And after that, it comes off. And for us, we're gonna use zip ties to hold it up so it doesn't get in our way.
Okay.
So you're moving the caliper next, right?
Yeah.
So it gets out of our way. And after that, that's it.
Okay.
We're done here.
All right. For the whole next step, you're gonna go under the car, and we're gonna get to the trailing arm, which you can see. Lazy's pointing at it. So that bolt right there, and that will loosen up the bottom portion right here for the rear end. We got the bolt off for the trailing arm here. We're just gonna take it off from there, and we're also going to remove the brake lines. So there's a bolt right up there, which you can see right there, that you have to remove, and then you'll be able to pull the brake lines from the inside of the car all the way out. Okay, so we got the e-brake lines disconnected from the inside, and we pull them through the frame, and now we're gonna go ahead and start removing the subframe. So that consists of removing which bolts right here. Okay, I see it right here. There's one bolt. There should be 4 total. There's one right there, and of course on the other side as well. So
We'll lift this shit together.
is this shit tiny or freaking?
Miguel, what is that?
What is what? What are you looking at, bro? Let me wrench in peace. Hey, let me see that setup, Lazy.
Hey, hold on real quick. Alright, what's up?
Let me see. Bro,
Oh, dude, you don't have no
we're living in
flashlight, man.
2045 right now, bro. So now we're gonna, the subframe's gonna be on both sides. We're just gonna go ahead and put the jack under there so we could like take it down slowly.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so it's on there. Oh shit. It's going down?
Yeah. Slowly.
I'm trying, this thing goes down fast.
I'm gonna pull it out with Miguel. Alright, ready?
Let's go. It's out. Now the muffler. Let's go. Alright, hold on. Put it right there.
That's it.
Okay. We're good, guys.
And
Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the gas tank.
I don't want to get to
But the subframe is off, so that's good. The last step for the disassembly consists of removing the gas tank. I do have some gas in here. I have like a quarter tank, so we just have to be real careful. But it's just a bunch of bolts around the gas tank. So once we have them removed, we'll get right back to you guys. Oh shit, help. Oh fuck. Did you take them all off on the same side? This shit's coming off.
I told you, Miguel.
Fuck. Okay.
He bit you and he
So they're all loose. This thing's ready to come out. So we're gonna place the jack under the car so it doesn't squish us. Did you disconnect them?
Yeah.
There's shit right here. Hang on.
Alright, so what do we got here?
Break this.
Got it.
Sick.
Aye.
Shit. Fell.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, it's dripping. Okay. Alright, so Tony actually got Carbonetics carbon fiber front lip. And we're gonna install it real quick before we get back to the Eclipse.
Oh shit. That is the
That 428 though.
It's filthy, leave it alone. Orange transition in there, like Yep. Yep.
There's a fitment on it.
Good. Let's go.
Let's go. Wait, right here?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's that.
Ha! Retake. Bam, it's done. Check it out. Looks clean. Makes the car look a lot more aggressive. Alright, so we got the subframe off, gas tank off, and then that's pretty much what the whole disassembly consists of. Next episode, we pretty much have to find out if I'm able to use certain parts from this car, like the poly bushings and stuff like that, with the GSX suspension. So we'll figure that out right now, but I'm going to go ahead and close the video off right here. So huge thanks to Carlos, Tony, and Lazy Alexis. So stay tuned for next week's video, and I'll see you guys then.